Zoe Ball is reportedly gutted after reportedly splitting from her model boyfriend after a 5-year romance. The radio star, 52, is said to have gone her separate ways from model Michael Reed, as he is believed to have moved out of their home. The couple had been together for 5 years and lived in a sprawling home in East Sussex. A source has claimed the relationship has run its course and says Zoe is better off without Michael. Zoe is gutted, but she's better off without Michael. This is a relief to many of her friends, who think she has done the right thing. They had a wonderful romance at first and Michael was a real gent. But in recent months Zoe has started to find him a bit demanding, a source told The Sun. The couple have been said to be spending less time together and went on separate holidays. The source claims Zoe asked Michael to move out of their home and have remained on good terms. The Radio 2 presenter was said to have split from Michael before, back in 2019, after she wanted to spend more time with her children Woody and Nellie. At the time, a source claimed he became too clingy. Zoe knew deep down the relationship wasn't going anywhere, a source said. She enjoyed her time with Michael but came to the conclusion he wasn't a keeper, despite him believing they were getting serious. There were certain things she grew uncomfortable with, such as him wanting to become a model and act. It was her first relationship since the suicide of her partner Billy Yates in 2017. Back in 2017, it was said Michael had put a spring in her step and that she was smiling and enjoying life again after meeting him in London. Billy tragically took his own life 5 months before following a battle with depression. I just wanted to reach out with thoughts and an extra dollop of love to anyone going through anything at the moment, whether it be mental health problems, perhaps a loved one is poorly, or maybe you're just having a right old tricky time of it, Zoe said in May 2019, the second anniversary of his death. Life is very tough for many reasons. When you can, if you are suffering from mental health problems, try and be brave, reach out for help from your friends and family. I can promise you they would do anything for you, and it's not an easy thing to do. Try to remember you're not alone in this funny old life, cuddle those who you love and treasure those memories. Billy and Zoe had been friends for years and started dating months before his death. Losing him was the hardest thing I've ever had to deal with in my life, Zoe revealed in 2020. Zoe's latest rumored heartbreak comes as she approaches 6 years since Billy's death. The DJ shares her 2 children with the ex-hubby Norman "Fatboy Slim" Cook, who shared 17 years of marriage before splitting in 2016. The Mirror has contacted Zoe Ball's representative for comment. For emotional support, you can call the Samaritans 24-hour helpline on 116 123, email joe@samaritans.org, visit a Samaritans branch in person or go to the Samaritans website.